mystery caller was correct. It looks like Batman himself is exiting the building.
Is he really? Hello, Gotham, it's me. I'm afraid Miss Vale will soon be leaving the airwaves. We apologize for this interruption.
We've been hit. We're going down. Mayday! Mayday!
Hello? Gotham? I don't know if you can hear me. My newscopter has been shot down. We've crashed down somewhere in Arkham City. We need help. I am now stuck on part of the old Gotham freeway in what looks like a turf war between... What the hell was that? Oh God! There are snipers! They're all around my position. I can see what looks like inmates moving in on us. Please! If anyone can hear me, send help! This is Vicky Vale. I repeat, this is Vicky Vale. If you can hear this, help me! Oh no! Batman's been hit. There are snipers everywhere.
I can't see her. Look harder.
Fire has ceased from Dini Towers. I can no longer see the snipers on the roof of the apartment building. If you can hear me, this is Vicky Vale. I am running...
You should be safe here for now. Stay here and keep out of sight.
Any chance I could get an exclusive? Care to tell Gotham what's going on with your face?
No. Stay there and be quiet.
Now, that's no way to talk to the nice reporter, Lady Bats.
What do you want?
Who are you talking to?
Now, see what you've done. The poor woman's all confused. Hardly surprising, I suppose. I mean, she's just been in a terrible accident.
That you caused.
How dare you? I've never been so... Oh, what the hell? Yes, okay, it was me. I just needed a little time to guarantee that Harley...
Well, Gotham, it appears I'm safe. For now. I've just been rescued by Batman. He saved me from what felt like certain death at the hands of snipers. All working.
Are you the one the prophecy spoke of?
No one's gonna be able to get close without us seeing. You could use these sniper rifles to kill ants from up here.
We're lucky to get them. I heard Batman stopped the guys Joker sent down to get the last shipment.
Augmented reality training activated.
Once Batman dead, let's not disappoint him.
Yeah, if I see the bat, he's mine.
Augmented reality training complete.
Man, it's cold in here.
Look out, it's Batman! Bat!
Protocol 10 will commence in 1 hour. Hey, Bats, it's me. While you were saving Miss Vale, I took the liberty of beefing up security at my steel mill. I'm sorry to have to break it to you, but I don't think that even you will be able to get in here. Oh, this is getting too emotional.
The furnace is generating too much heat. I need to find another way in. Oracle, find me a route into the steel mill.
Let's see. I'm assuming you want the most dangerous route possible.
Why change things now?
Well, you're in luck. The only way in is via the heat exchanges, to the south of the building. I'll mark it on your map.
Think he's really coming?
Oh, Batman? Of course he is.
Nah, I reckon Freeze got him. He's stuck in a block of ice about now.
Really?